Which slide? With the green? All right, so let's go back a little bit further. So what the green is, we label each node with the difference between the height on the left and the height on the right. All right, so the height on the left, well, is the empty tree. So let's call that height 0. Right, and the height on the right, which is the 32, has height 1. So 1, I guess 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Right, the difference, right? Yeah, so the 44 here the height is 2, right? This tree, what's the height of this tree? Well, it has 2 nodes, so we'll call it 2, right? What's the height of this tree? 1, 2, 3, right? And then 2 minus 3 is minus 1, right? Well, if it was like 17, it would be there would be a 1 or a minus 1. Which the 48 here? It's a 0. Oh. Then 44 would have minus 2, and that is not possible. Yeah, I mean, if you inserted things, and then it wouldn't be balanced, so then you have to rebalance it. Yeah, right? So if you started with the empty tree and you just kept inserting things, for example, suppose you sort things in order. You put 1, and then you do 2, and then you do 3, and then you do 4, right? It's going to be a path. And so what you want to be able to do is take this path and rotate it into a balanced tree, right? And if it was a perfectly balanced tree, then every node, the height of the left and the right would be equal, right? Then the difference would be 0. But we're giving them a little slack. Right? Why do we give them slack? It's because we don't need it to be perfectly balanced, and it would be too much work to always maintain it perfectly balanced, right? This gives us the slack to be more casual about it, right? Does that make sense?